Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to process a customer deposit using SQL accounting software. A customer deposit is used when you receive a refundable deposit from a customer. You wish record a double entry, debit bank and credit customer prepayment account, under current liabilities, instead of crediting the amount directly to your customer's GL account. Most of the time, law firms use this interface for their client accounting needs. Before you begin, ensure you have created a customer prepayment account under current liabilities in the Maintain Accounts section. Let's begin. First, select the customer. Next, choose the deposit account and the bank where the payment was received. Then, enter the deposit amount. For example, we'll enter 100 ringgit. Then, review the details to ensure everything is accurate, then click Save. Now, let's go over 3 scenarios. The first scenario will be the deposit will be refunded after that. If the deposit is refunded later, click on this plus button and select the deposit refund. For example, your deposit refund is on August 27th and the refund is made via Maybank for an amount of RM50. Press OK. The system will create a new payment voucher for the refund. Next, the second scenario will be the deposit might be forfeited due to certain reason. If the deposit is forfeited, click on this plus button and select the deposit forfeit. For example, if the deposit forfeiture is on August 29th and the forfeited amount is 50, enter the GL account to credit, then press OK. The system will be debit to the prepayment account and credit back to the GL account that you have chosen. The third scenario will be the deposit will be used to offset with any of your customer outstanding. If you wish to offset the deposit with a customer's outstanding balance, select the customer and enter the deposit amount. For example, we'll enter 100 ringgit. Then click Save. In the future, to use the deposit as a payment, go to Customer Payment, click New, and select the customer. You'll notice a new option to apply the deposit. Click Save. The system will debit the prepayment from the customer and credit the debtor account. And that's it. We've successfully completed customer deposit. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.